Great promise. It's going to happen. Amen. And it goes with us, that same Ruach. So may we walk, may we be filled with His Ruach this day. Okay, well, we'll have the Kiddush.